Let's create a new project in SmartestQA and explore the project preferences. These settings become the default configuration for all pipelines you create, so understanding each option is important. Click the Project drop-down in the top left corner and select New Project. Enter your project name and choose the project type. SmartestQA currently supports web, with Android and iOS support coming soon. Click Create to generate your new project. You land on the Project Settings page, showing your project information, including name and type. Below is the Start Page URLs section. Click Add to define your test environments. Enter a name for your application, then provide separate URLs for development, test, and production environments. This structure lets you switch between environments seamlessly when running tests. You can also export your project as JSON or as a Selenium project for external use. Now let's explore the Test Management tab. Choose your script language between Selenium and Playwright. Enable parallel execution to run multiple tests simultaneously, and set the thread count to control how many tests execute concurrently. In test settings, enable Continue on Failure, so tests keep running even when a step fails. Set the retry count for automatic retries of failed tests. Choose your locale for language preferences, and enable auto task creation to automatically generate bug tasks from test failures. You can skip logging successful steps to keep reports focused on failures. Under Browser Configuration, select your preferred browser, version, and operating platform. Set the screen resolution and enable Headless mode to run tests without a visible browser window. This is especially useful for CI/CD environments. The AI Options tab unlocks SmartestQA's intelligent features. Enable AI and choose between using the built-in Smartest AI or connecting your own account with a custom API key and model selection. The AI Capabilities section is particularly important. Enable AI for Locators, so the Chrome plugin can automatically find the best element locators using artificial intelligence. This is the setting that powers the Find Locators feature in the plugin. Enable AI for Assessment for intelligent test analysis, and turn on Auto Heal to automatically repair broken locators when page elements change. You can configure max tokens and temperature to fine-tune AI behavior. Moving to Advanced Settings, configure logging and recording options. Enable video recording to capture test execution. Set the default wait timeout for element interactions, and configure email notifications to automatically send test reports to your team with customizable recipients. The AI Prompts section lets you customize the prompts used by AI features. The AI Locator prompt controls how the plugin finds element locators. The Test Generation prompt guides automatic test step creation. Modify these prompts to match your specific testing requirements. Finally, the Selenium tab provides granular browser control. Enable Start Maximized and disable notifications for cleaner test execution. The CI/CD and Performance section includes options like No Sandbox and Disable GPU for containerized environments. Configure security settings to ignore certificate errors, disable browser extensions, and hide automation detection flags. Set network options, including custom user agent, proxy server, and language. Define timeouts for implicit waits, page loads, and script execution. You can add custom Chrome arguments for advanced configuration scenarios. Most importantly, remember that all these settings become the default configuration when you create new pipelines. Configure everything once here, and every pipeline automatically inherits these preferences, saving time and ensuring consistency across your test automation.